Hello everybody, 皆さんこんにちは, 大家好. Today I'm at Jurong East. Wow, what's a panda doing with Jurong East, right? It actually part of decoration of the West Gate. It's a big mall here. Look at that, man. It's beyond my imagination. I thought Jurong East is far from the city area and doesn't have a big mall like this, but let's explore. So there's a wine connection over there, Collins, and nice sitting area. They call here the courtyard, and lots of restaurants. Collins. Oh, there's a makeup store, cosmetic called Sephora. Wow, wow. And they're killing rights though for the kids, man. Wow, this Discover Tears of Pure Wonder. And the thing just went up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wonder it costs money or is it free? But it looks so like Toy Story, you know. Wow. Wow, many shops. So as usual, I'll go to the basement one, check out the food first. This place is very lively and bustling, man. There's a food junction right here. It's a new food court. And the Bon Chinese meat roti, lots of queue, you know. As well as the Chinatown, tutu kueh and the min jia kueh. Look at the Bon Chinese beef roti. There are about 10 people queuing right now, man. Wow, and restaurant, Shabu Sai. Very, very goreng, Pat Noot and non silver. Poland as well. Harvey Norman and interesting clothes over there. These are kind of tea right here. Okay, it's a koi tail, your daily beat, man. It makes a Molly apparel for the kids, man. Wow. And the favorite food of Singaporeans, Yakung Kaya Toast. Well, you know, Joe is so happening. There's another mall right here called Gems. Just now, this one is the West Gate. And now we're approaching Gems, man. Let's check out what Gems has. Does it have any hidden gems or something that I don't know yet. Let's go. Wow, there's a Don Donkey right here, man. At the Gems. Japanese food stuff. Oh man. Oh, there's a Paris banquet right here. Freshly made stuff. Steak restaurant, and then there's a IKEA. I think IKEA is worth checking out for the beautiful stuff around here inside. There's the sofa and look at it, the trolley then. Oh, it looks so nice. The sofa, two-piece sofa is 599. There's more inside and look at the arrow, man. Wow, it's insane. Very nice. The sofa, all this arrangement like your own home like this. So the brief of the gems. I like that roof lights. Okay, so that was Westgate and Gems, and now I saw this walkway. I'm not sure what they have, but I saw like CBM and Jurong Library, so let's go. I saw NTUC, fair price. And it seems to be pretty big, the NTUC. Wow, and then there's a KLC International Institute, or POSB OCC Bank as well, church here. Well, CPF building, library, and there's a new hospital right here. They're doing something here. I believe this is a former JQ. I read it up in the internet. And one was, hey, that leaf, dangerous, so high. So this is a Jurong Regional Library, man. Regional means it's a big size. So there's level 2 and 3, and then there's a Pullman Bakery Hokkaido also. Oh man, this is power, man. Oh man, there is one is a science center somewhere near here, man. And so lots of phone workers sitting there. Okay, so there's a map, Jurong Library, and then Jurong Spa Interchange, NTC Fair Price, Shop House 135, JQ under construction. So this place is called J Connect. The shops level 2 and level 3. There are a lot of education center and Pilates as well as skincare shops, man. And at the ground floor, there are many clinics. 24-hour clinic right here. You need health. I wonder why there was a hotel here. It's a hotel. We are tourists, we stay here. Oh man, this is cash converter. They sell the second-hand stuff, luggages, and baby products, strollers, even helmets, soft toy shirts, and so many stuff, electrical, electronic stuff in the wallets and bags. Oh, look at this, it's a bit insane now, but the price like, only $300 for that bag. Oh, they have a guitar, $89. So this is a cash converter buying department, man. A certain item they don't buy in, like laptop bags, you know. Oh, I like the open space, and then people sit over there. Well, they are HDB, or they are HDB, not condo, just opposite where I'm standing. And some people riding bicycle, and they see the coffee shop in front, and check it out. And I look at architecture. They come up us here, and then there's a school called Maple Bank. Oh, there's anytime fitness here, 24/7. Personal training, body fat. Look at the gym, man. Wow. Okay, kopitiam here. Look at this. 阿嬷吃面. Wow, quite empty, but still have some stores selling right here. I realize this area a lot of vending machines, from snacks, and there's a wall ice cream right here. Seriously. Wow, so nice, the ice cream. About $3, or that's $2 and $1.90. Touch screen for cashless payment. I care white stand and the studio, hair studio roots care and the some medical clinic or and those uncles over there. Wow, there's a madras marble here and luxury watch and then there's another food court right here. Hey, this barber shop looks so cool. Hey, there's a famous Nike Pao, you know. They sell other types of stuff not only a Pao, but it's very famous in Singapore. And then there's King of Fried Rice as well. The Indian mama shop over there. And what is this? Freshly mobile gold jewelry. It's actually a pawn shop. This one very cool. The tuition center, called Raymond Studio Math Science. English, Physics, Math, Chemistry, Bio, Chinese, Econ, Social, so they are nice subjects and in the middle. And some kind of equation, mathematical symbols. Okay, I'm right inside the CBS Self-Help Center in Jurong East. There are 11 stations, you know. And their computer provided their aircon, there's no drink. So you can actually use their computer to do some CPF checkup, like assurance package and so much more. But I think the real CPF is in front, you know. CPF Jurong Service Center. Counter service appointment only until 5:30. I think there are a lot of banks here, if I'm not wrong. Let's check out. So they have quite a number of shops here under CPF Jurong building, from chiropractic to fitness to Pilates, and the light is so bright, man. And that side leads to the Jurong East MRT, and there are many banks here. RHB from Malaysia. Compared to the other side, RHB Premier. Premier is for like customer with more cash than the normal one. For example, you need to be 200,000 Singapore dollars to qualify for premier customers. And right, the Sing Investment Finance, Spa, Maybank, Parkway Center Medical Clinic, private one, so it must be expensive, right? QSB Bank is here, and guess what? Yeah, the ATM is inside. Lots of bars around here, and I think I saw a church, man, and a kopitiam in front. It's Prata. It's not very big kopitiam, but I came here to buy the zi char. Okay, what's next? Going to explore some of the HDB around here, man. So before that, there's a church on the left side. It's called Seventh Day Adventist Church. Is hidden by the trees. No idea what they're constructing, man, but it has been a long time. I mean, I understand they have a Jurong Regional 9 in front, MRT, which also increase the prices slightly of the HDB around here. And then the residents staying here, right, don't need to walk to the Jurong East MRT or take bus. They can just walk to this MRT. I forgot the name, but it's part of the Jurong Regional 9. Yeah, bus 98. It changed their route. Last time is much simpler, I think. But I fear for the safety of the workers, man. You know, they climb until so high. This is a very interesting visual kind of image right now. And look at the roof shape, shelter, and then that sort of like intersect at those two MRT track. You can see them. One is coming to a direction, the other is going to another direction. So it's quite beautiful. Wow. And then I feel that this design, right, is like Muslim design, kind of Malay, kind of Ramadan. And opposite is Jurong Street 21, block 207. White and light blue. Hey, coincidentally, the pillar also white and light blue. I can hear the MRT from here. Wow, just above me, man. What the boss? It's called L Mukminin Boss, eh? And that's our favorite bus 98, man. Okay, we are sort of like entering the official zone of Toguan, although they call it Street 21. So you can see all the steel rods, right? Part of construction. If you enjoyed the video, give a like, share, and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And I'll see you guys next video. Jam,